This is a story about a beaver, a flamingo, and a hedgehog. And this is what happens when you brush every day. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest filled with sparkling ponds and whispering trees, lived a beaver named Benny, a flamingo named Fiona, and a hedgehog named Holly. Every morning, when the sun peeked through the trees and painted the pond with golden light, Benny, Fiona, and Holly would meet by the water's edge. They'd greet each other with warm smiles, ready to start their day. One morning, as the friends gathered by the pond, Holly couldn't stop smiling. "Look at my teeth," she said proudly. "They're so clean and white. Brushing my teeth makes me feel great." Benny and Fiona noticed how happy Holly was with her sparkling smile. "I have to agree," said Benny. "Brushing my teeth helps me choose strong sticks for my dams." Just then, Fiona yawned, revealing a messy jumble of teeth. "Uh-oh," she said, "I haven't brushed yet today." She tried to hide her teeth behind her feathery pink beak, but it was no use. "Your teeth look a bit icky," said Benny politely. "It's true," sighed Fiona, "but eating my favorite fruits is even harder. My beak feels so sticky and uncomfortable." Fiona shuffled over to her favorite fruit tree and tried to peck at one of the juicy berries. But instead of enjoying the sweet flavor, all she tasted was yuck. She frowned as she hopped back to her friends. "What's wrong, Fiona?" asked Benny, noticing her gloomy face. "I don't know," she replied. "Everything feels yucky." "My teeth must be yucky too." Benny dipped his furry little nose into the water and emerged with a small twig. "Look," he said, handing it to Fiona. "This is my toothbrush. We beavers use twigs just like these to keep our teeth nice and clean." Fiona tilted her head, considering the twig. She said, "that looks fun. But what if I poke myself?" Benny chuckled. "You can brush gently," he said. "It tickles, but not too much. It's a good kind of tickle." Fiona took the twig and gave it a try. Holly watched, her eyes sparkling with excitement. She gathered some fallen leaves and made a tiny forest brush. Then, taking a deep breath, she began brushing. "See," she said with a wink. "Brushing makes you feel clean and fresh." Fiona continued brushing, and soon she felt a bit cleaner. She pecked at the twig playfully. It did tickle, but it felt wonderful. As she brushed, her tangled feathers smoothed down and her heart lifted. She could even smell the sweet scent of berries again. Finally, Fiona's turn came. She brushed and brushed until her beak was shiny and bright. Then she proudly announced, "My beak feels squeaky clean." The three friends stood side by side, each with a leafy green toothbrush. Their smiles were as bright as the sun shining through the trees. From that day on, Fiona never forgot to brush. She joined Benny and Holly every morning for their brushing club. They shared tips and tricks, sang silly songs, and cheered each other on. Soon, Fiona's smile shone like the sun, and she felt strong, healthy, and happy. The end.